Woody. Eddie. Okay, we did some gardening the other day, and when we first started, it looked like this. When we first started, it looked like this. We had some junipers, some mulch, kind of ugly. And I'll show you what we're doing now. So we, over the last 2 or 3 months, have cleared out this garden bed here. It's about 45 feet long. We have mulched it. We're going to put a new irrigation, put the plants in that you can see here. We're going to have the whole community out here today helping us plant, so we'll see how that goes.